What a great day to make some meth. I love making meth. Oh, meth. Yeah. I love meth. Let's cook some heroin. Woo! Heroin. Who put this camera here? That's a.
So, why can't white people say the N-word?
Because you ain't got enough melatonin in your skin, nigga.
Oh, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, dog.
Hello?
Yeah, man. Oh! Oh my god!
Yo, dog.
Oh my god, there's a lot of explosions! We gotta go check that out, my brother! Let's get out of here!
Dog.
We got a 246 Dash 6 on the, we're on the scene. Excuse me, sir. Whoa, watch it with the gun, man! Watch it with the gun, man! Come on, man! Put the gun down! We don't want to shoot you!
Excuse me, sir. Put the gun down.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He won't die!
Trap house, bitch,